All right, now we are going to cover the Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher. You open the dishwasher and you have a top rack and a bottom rack to fill all of your dirty dishes. To fill the detergent box, you simply press this blue button here. It's already got a pod inside of it. Do not eat these. Close the detergent box. To start the machine, you must press the start button first. Then you can select which cycle you would desire by pressing the cycles button. We are going to put it on the normal cycle for this display, and we will leave it on the heat dry. In order to start the machine, you must press the start button before you close it. You know that it has started effectively when the green light is on.